Ayo, good morning, Terry gang. What is Gucci? My name's Terrence, and if you still vlog like that, it's time to get your ass back to 2016, Jake Paul. Buckle up, jockstraps, because today I'm gonna teach you how to vlog. Huh?
But Terrence, why are you recording in front of a dirty wall?
Shut the Okay, just listen to what I have to say, because I have 12 subscribers. How many do you have? Exactly. Right, first of all, vlog. You like my sound? Yeah, that's what I thought. V-L-O-G, vlog. What does it mean? Well, it's a blog, okay, shot on video. So the first thing, equipment. Number one, camera. You can use something like this, or even this. But I just use a cell phone. Number two, a tripod. You can use something like this, but I just use this. It works. Number four, a skateboard. Did I say number three? Number three, a skateboard, okay? A skateboard. Let's go. Skateboard. Right. Number four, get off your damn couch. You see, this is a couch, and this is you on the couch. Get off the damn couch, okay? Side note, always eat before you vlog. It makes you happier, makes you more energetic. Back to the lesson. It's very important that when you do a vlog, instead of just telling people what you do in the day, instead of telling people, yo, look, I went to McDonald's today, I went to buy something, I woke up, I brushed my teeth. That's boring. No one wants to know, no one wants to hear about that. You need to tell a story. For example, today's video is about how to vlog. How to skateboard. Always sit down when you're going down the hills. It's very important that you have a subject for your video. Well, today's video is about how to vlog. Tomorrow could be teaching you something. You don't have to teach something, but it is important that there's a reason for someone to watch. No one wants to come on and watch you go to the shop or tell them about going to the shop. They want to either see you go to the shop or to have a conversation with them about what happened at the shop. You know, fill in all these separate things that happen during the day. So let me tell you guys a story. There's a house over here that's pretty much vacant. I don't know how much of this you can hear because the score is obviously very loud. I'm probably gonna bail. How not to skateboard. I remember I said, always sit down going down the hills. Okay. So, there's a house over here that's been vacant for a couple of years now. Now, I'm not sure if I can get in. I'm not gonna try. Apparently the guy that got kicked out, he came into a lot of money and he decided he's gonna buy the house and spend all his money on the house, and then he actually ended up not having as much money as he just thought he was gonna come into. I think maybe he won the lotto, which is pretty cool, but not for him because he ended up not getting as much money as he thought he would, and then he couldn't afford the house, so they kicked him out. So now it's like there's a free house just there for everyone to just drive past and look at. Yeah, so not much of a story, but hey, like I said, tell a story. Okay, so now that you've got your tripod strapped on my back, okay, your mini pod holding the phone, skateboard, you're ready to vlog. Okay, That's all you need, guys. Camera, personality, equipment. The world is your oyster. Last but not least, number 5, B-roll. Slap some cinematic B-roll on there with some epic music, and you've got yourself a vlog. There we go. Have a look.
Dog move, leading for Phoenix. Fuck these nuts, free sluts, trickle with the overtone. Fuck it, don't believe us, can't be the best. If you love what I'm saying, get nuts, get rough, get the fuck off the stage. It's the year of the meticulous. Fuck triangles, luck, pluck my angel. Fuck small time labels, I'm gravity. Water to the fat guard, ratings to the black star. Sucker punch, love, gut, wanderlust. Kill the universe. 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 Kill the universe.
Make sure you ask your viewers to subscribe, like, comment, do all of that to help your video get traction. Not only that, when you say like this video, people will click like. Otherwise they're not going to click like. You haven't asked them to do it. One last thing, guys. Please, please, please just be yourself when it comes to vlogging. If we want to watch a Jake Paul vlog, we'll go to his channel. But if we want to watch Kevin vlog, we'll go to Kevin's channel. And if your name's Kevin and I just gave you a shout out, leave it in the comments below saying thank you. Be yourself and enjoy it, guys. And as always, cheers for now.
Frozen megalopolis, building ice creams, harder than a match head, stretching on my kite strings. Faces, kids fucking hard in the basement. Lightsaber flavor milkshakes, can you taste it? It's the dark city, it's the unicorn. Born to be better, born with a purple uniform. Frozen hard shots and jumps, that's impossible. Probably tomorrow when you're still fucking horrible.